hands-on exercise assessment, maintenance. This is the second chapter of a word section of my Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can contact me either through WhatsApp or email given in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can help me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, programming assignments, information technology, computer sciences. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step so that you can do your assignment by watching this video. So at start of the instruction, you can see this project description. Please go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Main part of the assignment is starting from step 1 and total steps to do in this assignment are 17. So please read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. But main part of the assignment is starting from the step 1. So step number 1 is start Word, download and open the file named EXP19 Word Chapter 2 Hands-on Exercise Assessment Maintenance. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So basically we are supposed to download the Word file. I have already downloaded this Word file and you can download this from your My IT Lab dashboard. So this is the Word document where we will apply all the instructions to get this assignment done. So please download this from your My IT Lab dashboard or Pearson dashboard and we will use this file to apply all the instructions. So step number 1 is just about downloading the file. There is nothing else to do in step number 1, so that we will move to step number 2 of the assignment. So step number 2 is change the document theme to organic, theme color to blue, and theme fonts to office. Apply the lines simple style set. So first we are supposed to change the document theme to organic. So we will go to the design tab and we will go to the themes and we will make the themes to theme to organic. So where is organic? This one. So select this one. So I have applied the organic theme that is required. Now theme colors to blue and theme fonts to office. So now we are supposed to make the theme colors to blue, this one. And finally we are supposed to make the theme fonts to the office. This one. So I have changed the theme color and theme fonts to the office. And last thing to do in this step is we are supposed to apply the line simple style set. So select line simple set style. So basic, simple, basic stylish, black and white, and we are supposed to apply the line simple, line distinguished, and this is the line simple set style. So just select this one. So we have applied the line simple set style. So that is all required in step number 2. So we have completed this step and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 3. So step number 3 is set the first paragraph in the document. Select the first paragraph in the document. Winter break. Bold it. Change the font color to the blue accent 1 darker 50% and the font size to 44. So we are supposed to select the first paragraph in the document. So this is the first paragraph. Just select this one. And now it is saying that bold it and change the font color to blue accent 1 darker 50%. So we will bold it, and we will apply the blue accent 1 darker 50%. This one, blue accent 1 darker 50%. This is the color we are supposed to apply. And then we are supposed to change the font size to 44. So I will change the font size to 44. And finally, so we are done with this. Now we are supposed to create a new paragraph style named reminder title based on the title style which is applied to the first paragraph. So we are supposed to create a new paragraph style based on this first paragraph. So to do this, just click on this arrow in style group and click on this plus sign that is for the new style. So we will give name according to the instruction, that is the reminder title. So we will change this to reminder title, this one, and click OK. And you can see that we have created a new style, that is reminder title, and now just close it. And that is all required in step number 3. So we have solved step number 3 as well. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. Format the second paragraph maintenance reminders as bold and small caps. Format the second paragraph maintenance reminders as bold and small caps. So this is the second paragraph maintenance reminders, and we are supposed to make this as bold and small caps. So click on the font setting and we are supposed to make this small cap. So we will check this box, that is for the small cap, and it will be converted into the small cap as required in step number 4. So just click OK. So you can see that it has been changed to the small caps as required in the instructions. So that is all about step number 4. So we have completed 4 steps so far, and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 5. So step number 5 is select the paragraph note to supervisor. Please post a hard copy of this reminder on the bulletin board in the coffee room and highlight it in the yellow. So we will first select this paragraph, that is note to supervisor. Please post a hard copy of this reminder on bulletin board in the coffee room. So we are supposed to make this as a yellow highlight. So we are supposed to highlight it as yellow. So that is all required in step number 5. So we are done with step number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment so far. And now we're going to do next step, that is step number 6. So I am doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. So you can hire me to do this complete course for you. So let me move to next step of the assignment, that is step number 6. So step number 6 is select the most of the document beginning with the HAVIC schedule, that is HVAC schedule, and ending with the maintenance at the rate of our college.edu email link, and apply the following formats. So first we are supposed to document starting from this word and ending at this email link, and then we are supposed to do these formatting. So let me first select the text. We are supposed to select this from here up to the maintenance at the rate of our college.edu. So I have selected, and now we are supposed to make these formatting that are required. First one is a line spacing of 1.15. So we are supposed to change the line spacing to 1.15. So you can change this from the paragraph setting. So we are supposed to apply 1.15 to the selected text. And next thing to do in this step is paragraph as justify. So paragraph as justify, you can make this justify from here. So paragraph are justified now. In paragraph setting, this is for the justify, this is for the align right, this is for the center, and this is for align left. And we are supposed to justify, so I have justified this. Next thing to do is paragraph spacing after of 6 point. So we will go to the paragraph setting from here, and we are supposed to apply 6 point spacing after the paragraph. So we will select 6 point. And last thing to do is a first line indent. So again we will go to the paragraph setting, and you can see a first line indent from here. So select first line indent. So you can see that alignment is justified, 6 point spacing after the paragraph, first line indent, and 1.15 line spacing. So that is all required in this step. So we will click OK, and you can see this will be the form after applying these settings. So this is the document final version after applying all these settings that are required in step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps so far, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 7 of the assignment. Now it is saying that select the paragraph below the heading HAVIC schedule and set a right and left indent of 0.5. Center the text. Apply 6 point paragraph spacing before the paragraph. Apply a top and bottom double paragraph border of 1/2 point in blue accent, 1 darker 25%, and set the shading to blue accent 1 lighter 60%. So now we are supposed to apply this setting to this paragraph that is below the HAVIC schedule, this one. So first we will select this, and then we will do the formatting according to the requirements. So I have selected this. So first thing to do is a set right and left indent of 0.5 and center the text. Right and left indent of 0.5. So we will make left and right indent of 0.5. So left should be 0.5 and right should be 0.5. And we are supposed to center the text. So we can do this from the align tab. So this changes has been applied to this paragraph. Now, next thing to do is apply 6-point paragraph spacing before the paragraph. So 6-point paragraph spacing before the paragraph. So again go to the paragraph setting and apply 6-point spacing before the paragraph. So apply this one. So next thing to do is apply a top and bottom double paragraph border of 1/2 point in blue accent 1 darker 25%. So we are supposed to apply a top and bottom double paragraph border of 1/2 point in blue accent 1 darker 25%. Okay. So go to the home tab and go to the border and shading. So we will select the double from this one, because we are supposed to apply top and bottom paragraph border of 1/2 point. So it should be 1/2 point and color should be blue accent 1 darker 25%. So I will select blue accent 1. Darker 25% from here. Blue accent 1 darker 25%. And next is and set the shading to blue accent 1 lighter 60%. So go to the shading tab and apply blue accent 1 darker 60%. This one. Blue accent 1 lighter 60%. Sorry. Select OK. And we are supposed to apply top border and bottom border. So I will select the top and bottom border from here. So you can see that I have applied double paragraph top and bottom border, and color of the border should be blue accent 1 darker 25%. Then we are supposed to apply the shading of blue accent 1 lighter 60%. So that is all required in step number 7. So we are done with step number 7 as well. And now we're going to do next step, that is step number 8. Total steps to solve in this assignment are 17 and I am doing step number 8 now. Now it is saying that apply heading 1 to Havik schedule and reminder. Change the paragraph spacing before for heading 1 to 6 point. So first we are supposed to apply Havik schedule, heading 1 to the Havik schedule and reminders. So this is the Havik schedule and we are supposed to apply heading 1 to this one and also to the reminder. So this is a reminder and we are supposed to apply heading 1 to this one. Now we are supposed to modify the heading 1 schedule, heading 1, so that there should be a paragraph spacing of 6 point before the paragraph. So let me go to the heading 1 and we will modify this, and we are supposed to modify the paragraph. So click on this format tab and go to the paragraph setting. So after going to the paragraph setting, we are supposed to make the before space to 6 point, because it is required that 6 point paragraph spacing before. So make this 6 point and click OK and click OK. So you can see that I have made the adjustment according to step number 8 in heading 1. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 9. Because we have solved 8 steps so far, and now I am going to do step number 9 for you. Apply heading apply heading to domes, academic building, administrative building, general task, break areas, and office spaces and other areas. So now we are supposed to apply heading 2 to all these headings. So first one is domes, this one, and we will make this heading 2 style. Then the academic building, heading 2 style. Then the administrative building, heading 2 style. After this, general task, heading 2 style. Then the break area should be heading 2 style. And then the office spaces and the other areas. So this one. So we have applied heading 2 style to all the headings given in step number 9. So I have solved 9 complete steps. I explain each and every single thing in these 9 steps so that you can do these steps on your own by watching my video. But for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can hire me to do this assignment for you, or you can hire me to do this complete course for you. Now let me show you the final version for this assignment so that you can do the remaining steps on your own. As I told you that I have solved 9 complete steps for the 9 complete steps, but now for the remaining steps I will just give you an overview now. So this is the final form of this assignment. When you will apply the remaining steps, then you will get a final form like this. So this will be the first page and this will be the second page of this assignment. So please have a look to this final version of this assignment and you will do the remaining steps and you will get a final version like this. So I have shown you 9 complete steps in this video, but for the remaining steps I am just showing you this final version so that you can get an idea about the assignment. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp or email and I will do this assignment for you.